For many businesses, video marketing has become an important method. People like watching videos so much. It is a great way to get in touch with your customers. If you want to know the secrets of YouTube video marketing, then you should use these tips. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Video marketing is not just about keywords. Make sure that the audience are interested in your content. If your videos are unable to live up to the most basic requirement, it may be time to take another approach. People use YouTube to be learning something new or to be entertained. Start your video with a description of a question or a common problem that people usually have in your niche. As the video progresses, you will be able to give the audience the answers they are looking for. Make sure it gets the best response it can be. Encourage the viewers to share your videos with others. Don't get obsessed with perfection. To be effective and successful, it doesn't require perfect equipment. Most of the time, just put some good software on your computer. The camera on your smartphone will take video that's good enough for your need. Be polite, provide useful information, and viewers will be watching your content. Get your videos spread. In order to make people feel closer to you, document your work process about your product. People would definitely enjoy seeing that there is a personal side in your business. Always offer quality content. Your video has to attract the attention of people. Putting it on YouTube can give you more views, but if your video is not interesting, your popularity will decline rapidly. Consumers need information-rich videos. No one likes watching long advertisements. The more entertaining and engaging your videos, the more likely you'll see a continued growth and increase in traffic. You want to figure out the success of your video. You could start by guessing how many viewers will be responding to your video. You need to check the video analytics to know if you're getting to where you should be. A video that has been viewed several times but doesn't drive sales is still fine, but not as one that gets people to buy your product. When you're making a video, ask your viewers to do something. We call it call to action and start with an affirmative request or suggestion. Provide an appealing hyperlink under the video and encourage viewers to visit your landing page. Keep searching for more tips and information. You can always gain additional knowledge regarding this subject. The more you learn, the more you earn. Video content can be a valuable addition to the marketing strategy for any business or product. YouTube is a great place for any kind of video content, being the #1 platform for sharing videos. Now you're ready to set up your business channel on YouTube and start publishing engaging, successful videos that attract views and followers. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.